At 27, a stranger called me sir because of my thinning hairline. After finding nearly 100 hairs on my pillow, I had two choices: shave it off or fight back. I chose to fight. And today, I'm revealing the exact secret juice that became Juice Boost Hair Growth Oil, plus a quick DIY recipe you can try while your bottle ships. Most people blame genetics, but the real enemy is a hormone called DHT. It shrinks follicles until they vanish, adds stress and inflammation, and hair loss speeds up. The solution? Block DHT, calm inflammation, and feed the roots. I tried onion juice, smelled like a burger joint. Coffee rinses, just stained my bathroom. Aloe? A slimy mess. None of them touched DHT or nourished my scalp. After months of testing, I refined the blend. Pumpkin seed, rosemary, nettle, horsetail, red clover, vitamin E, and peppermint. No fillers, no fake fragrances, just pure growth fuel. Don't want the mess? Click the link below to grab the ready-made bottle. Apply 1 teaspoon to your scalp at night. Massage for 2 minutes. Sleep, then wash in the morning. Do this 5 nights a week. Simple and effective. Week 1, less scalp itch. Week 4, reduce shedding. Week 8, healthy shine. Week 12, new baby hairs at your hairline. The oils are food grade, so side effects are rare. Just a cooling tingle from peppermint. But if you're pregnant, nursing, or on blood thinners, check with your doctor first. Jessica reversed thyroid-related thinning in 4 months. Dave saw temple regrowth in 10 weeks. Priya stopped postpartum shedding. Results vary, but the potential is real. Ready to change your hair story? Click the link, shop the product, and let's start tonight. Drop "I'm in the comments so I can check on your progress. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more real hair science.